Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will study about balanced diet for class 6 General Science, chapter number 2, components of food. That includes another topic, balanced diet. In our previous video, we studied about the nutrients present in our food, their sources and their requirements in our body, their usage in the body. And in this today's topic, we will study about the balanced diet and some deficiency diseases. Food we normally eat in a day, that's our diet, is our diet for growth and maintenance of our good health. Our diet should also have the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. That nutrients must not be too little or that must not be too much. The diet should contain good amount of roughage and water also. Such diet is called as balanced diet, or we can say in other definition also, food that contains the appropriate amount of nutrients in it is called as balanced diet. When we talk about the appropriate nutrients, that also includes, it should also contain roughage and water in it, appropriate amount. So that's called as balanced diet. And this balanced diet is required by all age groups all persons of all age groups. That means our diet should contain appropriate amount of carbohydrates, appropriate amount of proteins, appropriate amount of fats also, appropriate amount of vitamins, minerals, and roughage and water also. That's why we eat different types of foods daily. We include in our food vegetables, pulses, grains, fruits, etc. And only eating this right kind of food is not enough also. It should also be cooked properly so that nutrients are not lost. Some nutrients get lost in the process of cooking and preparations also. For example, if the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, it may result in the loss of nutrients, some vitamins also. The peel of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them also. Too much washing of tomato can lead to loss of vitamin C. Vitamin C is water soluble and gets dissolved easily. So we should take care while we prepare our food, while we wash our food. We should first wash our food, then we should cut the hood, our vegetables and fruits. Similarly, cooking improves, cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. At the same time, this cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful proteins, considerable amount of minerals are lost while excess water is used. While some minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking and then thrown away. So we should take very much care of it. So this was about the balanced diet, and now we have deficiency diseases. As you know, person may getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may contain a particular nutrient. If it continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. But sometimes the food may not. If the food does not contain a particular nutrient, and if it continues for a long time, the person may get deficiency of that nutrient. A deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause to diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called as deficiency diseases. Deficiencies or disorders in our body due to lack of nutrients over a long period of time are called as deficiency diseases. For example, if a person does not get enough proteins in his food or have food for a long time, he is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin, diseases, and diarrhea, etc. If the diet of deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin, so weak that he may not be even able to move or stand. Deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in diseases or disorders also. For example, if vitamin A, if a person gets deficiency in vitamin A, the deficiency disease or disorder that will happen to his body, that's a loss of vision. Symptoms, what will be the symptoms of that? That will be poor vision will be there, loss of vision in darkness also. Sometimes complete loss of vision may happen. Vitamin B1, if the person gets deficiency of vitamin B1, the deficiency disease disorder due to deficiency of vitamin B1 is called as beriberi, and the symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C deficiency can cause scurvy, disease called as scurvy, and the symptoms of this vitamin C deficiency is bleeding of gums, wounds take longer time to heal. So these are the symptoms. Vitamin D, if a person gets deficiency of vitamin D, disease caused by deficiency of vitamin D is called as rickets. Bones become soft and bent. So similarly, if the person gets deficiency in a mineral called calcium, for example, mineral calcium deficiency can cause bone and tooth decay. Weak bones, person will have weak bones, tooth decay, etc. Iodine, if a person gets deficiency in iodine, the disorder is called as goiter, that is the glands in the neck appear to be swollen. Similarly, the deficiency in mineral iron, it causes anemia, that's weakness, loss of this is called as anemia. When the RBCs in the blood get very less, it causes weakness and the result is anemia. All these deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking balanced diet. So it was about the balanced diet and deficiency diseases for class 6th. Thank you.